How many hours have you wasted fighting boilerplate code just to parse command line arguments or manage config files? The CLI Tool Builder Pack slashes through that noise with dynamic argument resolution, YAML JSON schema validation, hot swappable plugin containers, and zero flake test runners, all battle tested for enterprise scale. Say goodbye to the CLI wars. DevOps engineers, platform architects, and open source maintainers alike can now ship rock solid tools faster than ever. Why wrestle with chaos when you can wield structure? Here's what's inside the CLI Tool Builder Pack. Argument parsing with type-safe positional flags and nested subcommands. Config management supporting encrypted secrets and multi-format overrides. Plugin scaffolding with dependency isolation and auto-registration. Testing pipelines with snapshot diffing and coverage thresholds. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool chain, it's your CLI's command center. Installing the CLI Tool Builder Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add cli-tool-builder-pack. That's it. It downloads the entire workflow: argument parser generators, config schema validators, plugin harnesses, and test runners straight into your project. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent OOP CLI patterns, declarative config syntax, and mocking strategies. You'll be shipping production-ready tools before your coffee hits room temperature.